Alright, I'm pretty sure the way you put this thing back together, you just grab this rubber piece. Let's see if we can push it. So push it back in. Okay, you might have to twist it a little. I can't do this with one hand, but make sure that little rubber nub is in all the way. Okay, the way I kind of made sure it was in all the way is I went in there and I kind of pushed it in towards the center to kind of lift the whole thing out. You can see it's in all the way. Alright, and now we just got to pop it back in here. So you can see it has those clips. And the way I got those clips out, let me actually pop this back out for you. So you can see when you pop that out, you have access to that. So let me actually pop this in. So it would be sitting in like this. And then, I'm not going to pop it in all the way because then can't get it. It'll be hard to get it back out. But basically, I took a tool, got it in there, and then I kind of pushed inwards. And when you push inwards on those tabs there, okay, that one and that one, it pulls the little clip in. Alright, so anyways, we're gonna get this thing back on, and then I'm just gonna push it in. Alright, got that, and this just lines up and pushes in, clicks in really easily, and you can see it's stuck again. It just has those two clip points. So pretty easy to remove this and to put it back. Alright, that's it. I'll see you guys later. That's the little rubber bumper stopper thing there. Let's see if I can get this thing out. I have a little hook on the end of this boroscope or endoscope. You can see that thing is right there. I'm going to try and get this in there and see if I can somehow get the hook onto it. Where'd it go? Shoot, the little thingy makes it hard to maneuver this. I can see it. Oh, it turned sideways. Huh, let me slam the door. Let's see if that rotated it. Putting the hook on it actually made it harder because now I can't see exactly what is going on. Wait a minute. Where is it? Just right down here now? Oh no, that's just the reflection. Okay. I'm gonna try and get it to hook on. I was able to slide it closer to me. Nice. Now I just need a way to grab that. So let me see. I'll show you with the real camera. Looking in that little hole there, and now I have it. It's like, oh, you can't see it with the camera. The camera can't get close enough, but my eyes can. But basically it's right at the bottom there, so I need a way to grab that out. I'll be back. I got it. I used a piece of double-sided tape, stuck it onto that thing, and stuck it on, fished it out. Finally.